A vendor sells hot dogs and bags of potato chips. A customer buys 5 hot dogs and 4 bags of chips for $17. Another customer buys 2 hot dogs and 3 bags of chips for $9.25. Find the cost of each item. So the first thing we're going to do after we read the problem is to assign variables. Since hot dog is the first item that is mentioned, let's let that be X. The second item mentioned is bags of potato chips, and we're going to let that be Y. Next, we're going to write a system of equations for the total amount the customer bought. Let's start with customer number 1. Customer number 1 bought 5 hot dogs, that's 5X, plus 4 bags of chips, that's 4Y, and it costs $17. So that's your first equation. Customer number 2 bought 2 hot dogs, that's 2X, plus 3 bags of chips, that's 3Y, and that costs $9.25. That's my second equation. Here are our 2 equations. I'm going to solve them using the elimination method. To eliminate my x's, all I have to do is simply swap these 2 coefficients and make one of them negative. Next, I'm going to do the distributive property for both the top and the bottom. I have 2 new equations. Add the equations. That gives me 7y equals 12.25 divided by 7, and y equals 1.75. Y is the bags of chips, so 1 bag of chips costs $1.75. To find out how much the hot dog costs, plug in the bag of chips in place of y. Do the math. Subtract 5.25, divide by 2, and x equals $2, so 1 hot dog costs $2. And now we're going to state our answer. 1 hot dog costs $2, and a bag of chips costs $1.75. Remember, if you're not sure about your answer, you can always plug your answer back into the original equation. If when you plug it in, it leaves you with a true statement, then that is your proof that yes, that is indeed your answer.